Hey guys, welcome to our review of the Laurel Road High Yield Savings Account. If you're searching for a savings account with a competitive interest rate, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down the key features and benefits of the Laurel Road High Yield Savings Account so you can decide if it's the right fit for your financial needs. The Laurel Road High Yield Savings Account offers an attractive interest rate of 5.15% annual percentage yield. This makes it one of the higher rates available, allowing your savings to grow at an impressive pace. There are no monthly maintenance fees, so you can rest assured that your hard-earned money remains in your account. To open an account, Laurel Road doesn't require a minimum deposit, making it a great option for anyone ready to start saving. Laurel Road provides an intuitive online banking platform that makes it easy to manage your savings. With online access, you can easily check your balance, make transfers, and review your transactions whenever you need to. Although Laurel Road does not have physical branch locations, their customer service team is readily available to help you with any questions or concerns you might have via phone or email. In summary, the Laurel Road High Yield Savings Account is an excellent choice for anyone looking to earn a competitive interest rate without worrying about monthly fees. Its low minimum deposit requirement and user-friendly online access make it convenient for both new savers and experienced investors. If you're ready to maximize your savings potential, consider opening a Laurel Road High Yield Savings Account. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.